Do you have a little keyboard like this and you want to use a number pad to control your OBS settings? I think I have something that might work for you. I've got a full-size keyboard on this desk to control OBS. I've got that little tiny keyboard over at my other position. So now I've got this little keyboard here. So it's nothing but a number pad, and I'll be able to control its Bluetooth, use it in conjunction with my little keyboard, and I'll be able to have a number pad to switch my scenes in OBS. Connecting this is super simple. You just turn on the power switch, hit the number of the Bluetooth you want. It will pair to two devices. You hit the pair button, this little light will start to blink blue, and then you just look it up on the your PC or laptop and add it to your paired devices. You're just going to go over to your settings and come over to hotkeys. And here's your list of stuff. I've got start and stop on key number 1 on the keypad, and then go down to my main camera, and we're going to do this one as number 2, and then we're going to go up here to the other camera setup that I use, and we're going to do this one as number 3. And I'll show you a quick demo of what that's going to be. This is just this easy. On this one, I'm hit the number 1 on the keypad. That starts and stops recording. I'm not going to hit it now because it'll stop the recording. Number 2 is what the camera that I'm already on, and 3 is this other view that we were looking at a minute ago. Back on number 2, and it's just that simple. And whatever amount of cameras you have, whatever things you want to do, you can control them with this little keypad. Set this in a kind of out of the way place. Once you get the hang of the key locations, it makes it really simple to change scenes. If anybody made it to the end, I appreciate it. I tried to keep this short and simple. I'm going to put a video up over here you might like. YouTube's going to put one down here that you might like. And I'm going to hit the number 1 key now.